On the same fold, press it backwards. Slightly open this. You can see that there are 3 lines. Push this line inside. Slightly fold these wings downwards from both the sides. Your origami bird is now ready. We are going to make an origami bird mobile. So for that we are going to need a candy stick, few decorative beads and some wool. I've stringed the wool in a needle and I'm taking a long woolen thread. Tie a knot at one end. Now in the reverse side of the bird, over here at this tip, at this point, poke the needle. Like this. And carefully pull the woolen thread out. String one bead. Tie a knot. Tie a knot at an interval. See, like this, and slip another bead. So now this knot will hold the bead up. If we wouldn't have knotted this part, then this bead would have slipped down. So now you can see that we have 2 beads like this. Cut this thread at an interval. Repeat the process for these 2 birds also. Here, I have finished stringing all the 3 birds on the woolen thread, and I have also added beads. Somewhere I have added 3 beads, here I have added 2 beads. So it's upon you that how you want to tie. Now these 2 birds are big and this one, if you see, is a bit smaller.